Hey YouTube, so welcome to my first Vlogmas video. I'm going to try my hardest to legit vlog every single day for the month of December for Vlogmas. I don't know how successful I'm gonna be at that, but your girl is gonna try. So yes, I woke up this morning and got myself all ready because I am filming. Say hello. So yeah, I'm currently filming. I just filmed 2 videos. I filmed my Christmas wish list video as well as a beauty supply store makeup haul video. So I have those videos up and uploaded real soon. So yeah, I honestly have no idea what I'm even supposed to vlog about because all I do is stay home with my daughter. So if y'all are interested in like stay-at-home mommy videos, then I guess y'all's at the right place. But other than that, like, I'm just home chilling with my daughter, watching TV, doing YouTube videos, editing, talking to my friends on WhatsApp, you know, watching dancehall videos, you know, y'all know. So yes, let's see how the Vlogmas goes. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of some of the items I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm so excited to try them out. This Glam blush palette by LA Girl, so beautiful. I cannot wait to try that out. My all-time favorite lashes. This palette that is very similar to like the Naked 3 palette, I think. So yeah, I'm so excited, and I'm going to be doing like an in-depth review on these items very soon, so look out for that video. So the viewers, hi Shania, say hi Vlogmas viewers. She's fast asleep, y'all. She is. Oh, she gave y'all a smile. Oh, you spit up a little bit, baby girl. You spit up a little bit. Let me get that for you. Let me get that for you, baby girl. Okay, sorry. Jeez, why you gotta roll your eyes at me like that? You didn't have to do that to me, man. You didn't have to do that to me. My daughter is so crazy sometimes. Now she's gone back to bed. But y'all saw that cut eye she gave me. Y'all saw that. So yeah, I honestly don't even know what I'm going to be doing today. I'm hoping that my new laptop comes today because I ordered a laptop on it was on Saturday. It was on Saturday, ordered a laptop. Today is today's Tuesday. And it did say that it shipped, so I'm hoping that it comes today, and hopefully I can get some footage of myself opening it and showing it to you guys. So yeah, I'm so excited for it to come. It's an HP laptop, so yeah, I'm really excited for that. Are you okay, baby girl? Are you okay, mamas? Yeah, mamas, you okay, baby girl? Yeah. So yeah, now that I'm done recording my videos for today, I can kind of just relax, kick back, and like watch some TV or so. I have to watch the newest episode, well, the last few episodes of How to Get Away with Murder, because I've been slacking on the show, and I don't even know why I've been slacking so much, but I need to catch up on those videos. So I'm probably gonna watch that today. I'm probably gonna watch Divorce Court because that is my show. I love to watch Divorce Court because some people just be getting divorced over the craziest and littlest things. So yeah, I'm gonna be watching that later. So maybe both of us can watch the show together. You know, we can watch it together. And yeah, I also need to clean up my daughter's room because I did her laundry and I have to put her clothes away. And since she's kind of, you know, just relaxing in her swing. Say hi, baby girl. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Hi, YouTube. Yeah, since she's kind of content in her swing, I should probably go ahead and clean up her room. Right, baby girl? Should I clean up your room? Do you want me to clean up your room, baby? Do you want me to clean up your room for you? Do you want to clean the room yourself? I think she might be pooing, so let's leave her alone. Let's leave her alone. So yeah, this Tuesday, I feel like it's just gonna be a boring day today. I have no plans to go on the road. I'm just gonna stay home all day. So yeah, and I also need to eat something because I haven't eaten anything yet, and I don't even know what I want to eat. So y'all got suggestions of what a girl can eat? Can y'all let me know what I should eat? Because I really don't feel for cereal. I really don't feel for cereal, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. What should I eat, baby girl? What should I eat? No suggestions? Oh well. So here's a little overview of my daughter's room, and as you can see, I have a bag of clothes here that I need to put away her laundry. I have some clothes that I got from Carter's for her that I haven't even hung up yet. That is a gift that I actually just received. And yeah, I literally need to put her clothes away. So I guess that is what I should be doing today, cleaning up her room. So this is like her little shelf area, and this is her changing table. Her bathtub is on the bottom. Some diapers and socks and stuff is there. And yeah, her room doesn't have a crib in it because she currently sleeps in my room in her bassinet, and her pack and play that was right here is actually at my mom's house. So yeah, we just leave it over there, so when I'm at her house she can sleep in something. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and put baby girl's clothes away. Okay, so sorry if the lighting is a little bit off, but I'm literally just here trying to put little girl's clothes away. Aren't these pants so cute? I love putting her in these like little pants because they're just so adorable. Like literally, they're so cute. And these are actually newborn pants, and my daughter is like 6 months. She's 7 months. She's gonna be, she is 6 weeks. My daughter is 6 weeks, and she's gonna be 7 weeks this week. And the newborn clothes almost can't even fit her anymore. So I need to put her in these newborn outfits as much as I can, so that, you know, she gets a little wear out of them before she can't fit in them no more. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So yes.
She is so blessed. She has a ton of clothes, and I always dread putting them away because it's just like so much clothes to put away. Like, and I hate putting clothes away. Like, I literally just hate to put clothes away. Isn't this like the cutest little jacket? It's like a peplum jacket. It is so, yeah, I love this jacket so much. It's so adorable. It's so cute. It's so cute.
Guess what? My laptop just came. But first, I need to finish putting away my daughter's clothes, because if I go and look at my laptop, I will not finish. So let's finish putting her clothes away first and cleaning up her room. Okay, so I thought that I would sit down and show you guys me opening my laptop, and if it looks like I'm looking up, I'm using my phone to record, and I turned my phone to the side, so the camera is really like down here. Like as you can see, I'm looking at the lens now, but I'm kind of looking at myself when I'm talking, so that's why it looks like that. But maybe I should just look into the lens so that it looks like I'm looking at you and not like up there. But if you can notice my eyes moving, then that's fine. So here is the box that my laptop just came in. I'm trying to hide my address because I don't want y'all to know where I live. So yeah, here it is. It is an HP laptop. It is a 15.6 laptop. I'm gonna need to get a pair of scissors so I can open this bad boy up. So let me find some scissors. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this box up. Open it from here. I'm so excited for my laptop, y'all. Like I haven't my laptop that I had before that I got when I was like in grade 10, and that had like stopped working for such a long time, and I've been using my mom's laptop to kind of like edit my videos and stuff. But my mom says she wants back her laptop, so I was like, okay mom, well that means I need to get my own laptop. So I got mine now. So first thing, when I open the box, it comes with like an instructions manual. So that's what it looks like there. I'll probably take a look at this in a bit. And this is setup instructions on how to set it up. I think it's both the same thing. One's in French and one's in English. So yes, oh, I see the laptop. It's in there. Okay, so first things first, this little section here has the charger. So this is the charger, the first part of the charger. And then this is the battery. This is the battery. So this is what the battery looks like. Laptop batteries look so weird. And then here's the other part of the charger, the part that you plug into the wall. Okay, so that's it for there. So let's see if I can pull this out. Okay, so here is the laptop. And of course it comes packaged with these spongy styrofoam thingies so that, you know, while it's shipping it doesn't get any damage. So there is that. But this is the laptop. Like I said before, it is an HP laptop. So yeah, it looks like this vlog won't be too boring after all, because I have a little something here about the laptop. So let me just take it out of the plastic, and here it is. Oh, I'm so excited. So I do want to get a skin to put on the front of my laptop here. So I'm probably just gonna look on eBay for a skin so that I can you know, decorate the front of the laptop and everything. Put the phone down so that you guys can see the laptop, but here it is. So nice and sleek. So nice. It says HP right there. So let me go ahead and open it up. So this is what the screen looks like. And then it came with this nice padding thing on top of the keyboard. But here is the keyboard. And I like the keyboard with the buttons because my old laptop, it had the weird buttons that my brother was actually able to flick off. So these are actual like buttons, so it won't be able to like lift off and stuff. I love this area here where the cursor is. It's an Intel processor. But yeah, it looks so beautiful. I probably need to charge it first, so I'm gonna have to charge it before I start using it. Let me look at the setup instructions to see what I'm supposed to do with it first. So let's see. Quick setup. You put in the battery, plug it in. Does it say how long I should plug it in for? Because it says it needs to charge. It doesn't tell me how long it should be charged for, but I guess I'll be able to see how long it needs to charge for. Or something. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy in and let it charge, and then probably in like tomorrow's vlog or something, probably in like tomorrow's vlog or something, I can show you guys me using it and putting all of my edited videos that I haven't uploaded it on this and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little boring life for my first Vlogmas vlog. I'm gonna try to keep this up and do them every single day. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, then please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified the next time I have another upload. Bye.